name is Kevin Coleman. I'm a product expert with the skid steer and compact track loader group from Sanford, North Carolina with Caterpillar. Today we're going to talk to you about the 299 D3 XE land management machine. This is really a purpose-built machine that is set up for a lot of applications where you need to clear vegetation, whether it be for a utility, right-of-way, landscaping. You're going in and clearing out for a subdivision. You're doing a lot of clearing site development in that regard. Anywhere that you need to clear a large amount of brush, and you're looking for a machine that can deliver you some very specific benefits for that application. The 299 D3 XE land management machine offers you extra sealing and guarding on these machines. You can see we have guarding around the lights in the front, the lights in the rear, sealing around the cab, sealing around the engine compartment, up on the exhaust stack, in the undercarriage for some of the components there. So we've really got a machine that is set up to go into those rugged environments. A couple of the other things that are offered on this machine as well are the capacity of the fuel tank. When you're doing this type of work, a lot of times you don't have the opportunity to go and refill your fuel tank because your fuel source isn't nearby. So we're giving you 58 gallons of total capacity, which can give you up to 12 hours of run time when you're doing this type of clearing and vegetation management. In addition, we've got sealed and pressurized cab. Our one-piece sealed and pressurized cab is something that we've had and offered on our machines for well over 7 years now, and we've continued it on with this purpose-built machine. A one-piece cab really means that you have just one piece. Whenever you raise the cab and unbolt it, you'll see that there are no divides in that cab. There are no extra seals and gasket that you have to compress in order to seal that environment. That means the operator can stay in there for long periods of time in the air-conditioned environment on a nice hot day, and can be very comfortable, very clean, and very quiet when you're running power-hungry attachment like mulchers on the front, which also generate not only a lot of debris, but a lot of noise as well. In addition, on the back end with the cooling pack, invariably in the fall and the spring, especially when there's leaves and material flying around that might adhere itself to the back of the door where the airflow is coming in, we have a reversing fan. So operator can set that up so that at a prescribed period of time, that reversing fan will activate and clean that material off of the rear door. Or if he wants to do it manually, he can reach up and hit the switch and purge it at that point manually. So the power that this machine offers is also very unique. We have 110 horsepower in the back end of the machine that helps deliver 94 hydraulic horsepower out of the front of the machine with our high pressure, high flow auxiliary system, which is great when it comes to using these rotating tools like mulching heads. Those things take a lot of power, and the big benefit for customers is the rotating tools not only tear into and rip through material, but the recovery time when it takes those tools to spin back up. The high pressure really helps that recovery time, and that's what you're looking for. You don't need to be waiting on the tool in order to continue what you're doing. That tool needs to recover so you can continue without having to wait on it. And that's what that high pressure, high flow system really delivers for customers. For extra peace of mind working in high ambient conditions, we also offer a roof-mounted hydraulic auxiliary cooler, which pairs great with this machine when you're running demanding tools like mulching heads. If you'd like to find out more information about this machine, you can contact your local Caterpillar dealer, or you can visit the CAT Landscaping and Construction page on YouTube.